Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have seen how to enroll for AWS Skill Builder program. Now today in this session, we'll see the next part. Now when you launch on this window, let me take you to the training part of this. When you launch on this window, you will be able to see current training part, all training activities and saved. Right now, you don't have anything like current activity, all training activity or saved part. This is the very first time we are visiting to this screen. So I guess I have logged out. Let me check with this. Let me go to all training activity. Let me check out for this. Sign out. Let me sign in once again. Sometimes it gives you problem if your network is slow. Yes, so sign in for this for AWS Skill Builder and do not enter any other mail ID. Sometimes when you by mistakenly you enter some other mail ID, it won't work. It is specifically given by AWS Academy, so we have to enter all the details. Those are related with this program. Yes. Now, as I said, current training, all training activity and saved part, we have to go for all training activity. When we launch on this particular tab, what we are able to see that there is some sort of a training activity given, list of given training activities there. Then we have here like title of that particular digital course, status as complete, incomplete, highest score, assigned on, and then enrolled on, started on. Okay, and at the end you can see like completed on, type. Okay, and then level, duration, language and actions. So we have to concentrate on our certification path, right? So very first task is that we have to get the vouchers. So suppose I want to appear for very basic level examination, that is Cloud Practitioner examination. So there are two basic examinations. One is AWS Cloud Practitioner and second is AWS AI Practitioner. So out of these two, you can appear for any. But I recommend to have little understanding of cloud computing at the initial stage if you are completely unknown to cloud, and then start exploring AI based on AWS basic information or basic services, right? So the very first thing that you can do is, if you are completely unknown to AI, if you are completely unknown to cloud, please start with AWS Cloud Practitioner. So here I will be checking out on some of the courses. Those are basically assigned for me for certifications. So how to, there are multiple things, you may not be able to check out all these things by your own one by one. So it's better to have some filter applied. I will apply the filter here, show unenrolled training. I have to go for incomplete. First click this, then go for what you want to do. You want to do the certification. So here we have two options, AWS Cloud Quest and certification exam preparation. So I want to go for certification exam preparation. Click on this. Now here you will be able to see there are only 4 titles available. The very first one is official practice exam, AWS Certified AI Practitioner, official practice exam, Certified Cloud Practitioner. So these two, AI Practitioner and Cloud Practitioner, are the basic level courses, initial level courses and certifications. And this AWS Certified Developer Associate and Certified Solution Architect Associate, these two are the associate level, that is next level examinations. So when you are trying to just explore the AWS cloud services, I recommend you should go for this first. Then later on, if you want, then you can go for this one as well. So basic level you can cover if you are that way willing to. Let us say you are little aware like what the cloud computing is, what AWS services are there, and you don't want to just check out on basic things, you want to jump on to associate level or next level. then I recommend you should be looking after this one, that is AWS Certified Solution Architect, that is associate level. If you are good in coding, if you have a strong skill for programming, then you can definitely check out on this AWS Certified Developer Associate. So this certification is going to help those developers who want to automate their process of development and execution. So this is the best certification for them. So initially, what we will do, we will start with the very basic level. So let us start with this practitioner course. Click on this. It will take you to the page wherein you can see what process you have to complete to get the 100% free voucher for appearing AWS Cloud Practitioner Global Examination. Fine. So this is the screen wherein you will land. Fine. So in this particular course, what is there, you can just check out from the details, from the description. You can check out all the contents. Then there are objectives given, what services we are going to learn in detail for IIM and ECC, that is EC2. Then intended audience is kind of a person who is not knowing about cloud, or somebody who is knowing about cloud can appear for the basic level examination. Recommended knowledge, prerequisites, targeted knowledge, whatever we have, that should be having little understanding of kind of what is cloud. That's it, nothing else is required. And ratings are given, so it is up to you what to give as a rate for this. So here at the top side you will able to see like there is a save option, share link option, and there is a enroll option. Before I start giving the enroll option, let me take you to another particular screen which will make you understand when to start enroll process. Okay, do not make any hurry for this. So go for the outline process. Okay, so details and outline. So just now we checked about the details. Now we are at the page wherein you can check out how to avail the free certification voucher for appearing AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Global Examination. Fine. For this examination. Fine. So this is the outline. So these three are the steps. Once you complete these three steps, you will be able to get 100% exam voucher. Fine. So what the first step is, it is official practice exam, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, and second is feedback, and third is achievement. Now just check out what the things it has given. So official practice exam, module 1, module 2, and then we can check out for the next part as well. But before I start with the enroll process, I wanted you to have the understanding like what kind of things you have to take care for coming on this page. So that's it for this today's video. Now in the next video we'll see how to enroll and how to complete the process of official practice examination.